Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divine, the only Divine with a div. In today's video, we're going to be making egusi soup. Of course, this is not my first time making egusi soup on this channel. There's been egusi soup, my 5-minute ingredients egusi soup. You can check that out because the way I cook my meat is in that one. So I hope you are ready. Let's go.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
So to make this egusi soup, the ingredients are quite easy, quite simple. These are a few ingredients that I have. I have my meat, I have cow beef and some cow skin. This is egusi and Ogiriokpe. I have red oil, onion. This is habanero pepper, dry fish. This is my meat stock, guys. The water from cooking the meat, yes. And I have my bitterleaf. This bitterleaf has been soaked because it was dry. It has been soaked and now it's soft and ready. I have 2 seasoning cubes and that's all. The first thing, I'm going to turn on my heat, then place the pot on the heat. Then I'm going to add my red oil. Guys, take a look. This is going to be great. Now the oil has heated up, and the oil is not bleached. Don't bleach your soup oil. No, just let the oil heat up a little bit. Then pour in the onion. Oh, the seasoning was everything, guys. Then stir that baby together. Yes, just give that good stir. Give it stir, yes. Then I'm going to pour my egusi, and this egusi I did not add water. No. I'm not going for that water mixing egusi stuff for this video. I'm just going to pour it like that because I want this soup to be as quick as anything, as easy as something. Then I'm going to stir that together. As you can see, I am using my wooden spatula. That is because if you use a spoon, your soup is going to burn unless you are using a wooden spoon. But if you use a stainless spoon, egusi soup has the tendency to get burnt easily and you don't want that. So I'm going to use this my spatula to keep on stirring the soup. Oh, it's not like frying. Look at it, guys. I'm not frying this soup. Am I frying it? No. This method of cooking egusi soup reduce frying for you guys and makes everything amazing. And this soup came out tasting amazing and looking delicious, guys. So I'm just going to keep on stirring that together. Yes, I'm going to stir together and stir. Oh my god, look at the color. The color is so vibrant. I want to eat it. Then I'm going to add my bitter leaf, guys. I'm going to add my bitter leaf and I'm going to continue stirring. I didn't add all the bitter leaf. I added half. The one I added is bigger than the one that is remaining. Okay, then I'm going to keep on stirring that together. Yes, baby, just look at that. Now I'm going to add my meat stock. Isn't that easy to do? Just pour in your meat water and just keep on stirring. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful, guys. The aroma there's aroma, I promise you that. So I'm going to just stir that together. Oh god, guys, just look at that soup. Tell me, what do you want to do to that soup now? Now I'm going to add more water. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Oh, amazing, guys, amazing. Just add water and stir together. It's amazing. Yes. Now I'm going to cover that baby and allow it to cook it until the oil start popping up on top of it. Just look at that. Look at what I mean. The oil has started dancing on the soup. This is a complete sign that the egusi is ready, that the egusi is done, is cooked. So now all we have to do is to put our ingredients, put everything, and yes, we are ready to swallow this soup. Now I'm going to pour in my meat, guys. This meat was delicious. I pinched. I confess, I pinched. I'm going to pour in my dry fish. Then I'm going to add my hot habanero pepper. Guys, add pepper to your taste. So don't go and add pepper the amount I'm adding because it might burn your mouth. I'm going to add the pepper, and guys, oh gosh, it was amazing. It's amazing. It smells delicious right here, guys. Now I'm going to add seasoning cube. These 2 seasoning cube. Yes, I ended up adding 1.5. Yes, so guys. Now I'm going to add water. I'm also going to rinse the plate of the pepper. I'm going to pour in the water. Just it's a big water, like half a quarter cup of water. Then I'm going to stir together. Oh, I cannot stress or stir together, guys. This soup is so It makes me want to go. I sing horribly. Yes, I know. But this soup is beautiful and this soup is delicious and this soup is yummy, guys. Oh, I hope you are making yours. I hope. Now I'm going to add the remaining part of my bitterleaf. Remember, I didn't add everything earlier. Now I'm going to add it. I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow it to cook. Yes, this one shouldn't take much. It just cook for about 5 minutes or so, just to incorporate the whole ingredient together in the soup. You know what I mean? You know now. You know when you want the soup to enter the meat and the meat enter the soup. Guys, you do the thing as you're supposed to do the thing. Oh, now I'm rapping. I'm stupid. But this soup is really delicious and the morale it's giving me is really high. Now I'm going to stir this soup together. Look at just look at the beautifulness. Look at the beauty of that soup. Just look at it. Guys, this soup is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is my second to last stir. So I'm going to stir it together, guys. This soup is amazing. Yes, now I'm going to taste for salt. Of course, I'm an Igbo woman, so we always have to taste for salt. I cannot just do magic and know that the salt is okay. I have to taste it now. Happy. After tasting, I cover it and I cook it for the final one. This one shouldn't take time, about 2 to 3 minutes. It's okay. After 3 minutes, this is what my soup is looking like. It's perfect. Me and my household we were singing hallelujah while we were eating this soup because it was super delicious, super easy to make and super quick. Guys, I want you to go and pick up your stuff and start making this soup now. And please, when you make this soup, tag me on Instagram, follow me and tag me on Ika. If you like, don't follow me, just tag me. I want to see your own soup. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please like, comment and share. Bye. Mwah.